talking with Joel Grossman, who brought the Bellingham United side even with his first half header off of a corner kick. So tell us a little bit about the goal.
Yeah, it was on a corner and I started off back post, and I'm a smaller player, so I kind of was free back there and started above the 18, and then Oscar, one of our midfield players, hit a great corner bending back post that was kind of hanging, you know, just out of the keeper's reach, and I came and just darted in and got my head on it and went in.
So how did you break free of the defender? Was there anyone on you at that point?
Well, I had a guy, so I started back pretty far, and there was a guy marking me, but he was about 5 or 6 yards off to begin with, and you know, he never got real tight. So as that ball hung, he was in front of me, it went over his head, and I just darted in behind him and got the head on it.
Well, it was a big goal in the game, and thanks for talking with us.
Hey, thanks.